Tell us they saw a second car leaving this scene, so they followed it. After they pulled that car over for a traffic stop on Beach Boulevard and Cortez Road, they found another shooting victim. That victim was taken to the hospital and is expected to survive. Right now, police are interviewing 4 other witnesses that were in the car on Beach Boulevard to try and figure out what led up to the shooting. For CBS 47 Fox 30 Action News Jax, I'm Alicia Tarancon for 104.5 WOKV.
Now we got 2 named storms all of a sudden. Thankfully, neither one is a threat to Florida right now. Nana is forecast to become a hurricane. If we're moving into Central America tonight and tomorrow morning, then Tropical Storm Omar is in the northwest Atlantic, moving out to sea.
Fastest to ever, the N and the O's we've had with almost every name this year so far this season.
Action News Jax Chief Meteorologist Mike Burris tracking a couple of tropical waves right now in the eastern Atlantic. You can see updates on this in his Talking the Tropics blog at WOKV.com.
Families separated for months will soon be reunited. That's as Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has cleared the way for long-term care facilities to welcome back some visitors.
The governor says residents will be able to designate up to 5 visitors, but only 2 are allowed in at one time.
All visitation has to be by appointment only.
The visits themselves will also be a bit different, with visitors required to wear protective gear and have their temperatures checked. At this time, minors will not be allowed except in compassionate care situations. In order to open up to visitors, a facility can't have a new coronavirus case among residents or staff for at least 14 days. Sarah Thompson, 104.5 WOKV.
And our top national story this hour, the Trump administration